FTX Exchange is a leading centralized cryptocurrency exchange specializing in derivatives and leveraged products. Founded in 2018 by MIT graduate and former Jan Street Capital International Exchange trader, funds trader Sam Bankman-Fried, FTX offers a range of trading products including derivatives, options, volatility products, and leveraged tokens. It also provides spot market in over 100 cryptocurrency trading pairs such as BTC, USDT, ETH, USDT, XRP, USDT, and its native tokens FTT and USDT. Bahamas-based FTX and its FTX US affiliate have overlapping management teams but separate capital structures. US residents can only trade through FTX US. Here is the key takeaways. FTX centralized cryptocurrency exchange specializing in derivatives and leveraged products. It supports most commonly traded cryptocurrencies. FTX key products offering include futures, leveraged tokens, options, most contractors, and spot markets. FTX is based in Bahamas and does not serve US residents who can trade on FTX US instead. FTX and FTX US are affiliates with overlapping management teams but separate capital structures. Here is the basics of FTX Exchange. Wide range of products and easy to use desktop and mobile trading apps draw crypto investors of all skills level from beginners to seasoned professional, or in crypto jargon, from newbies to whales. The FTX platforms offer a comprehensive range of order types from basic market orders to more complex trailing stop orders. FTX competitive future and spot markets trading fees range from 0.04% to 0.07% for market takers based on the maker and taker model. As of January 9, 2022, meanwhile, leveraged tokens carried a creation and redemption fees of 0.10% and a daily management fees of 0.03%. FTX supports 9 fiat currencies that investors can deposit and withdraw via wire transfer: the US dollar, euro, British pound, Australian dollar, Hong Kong dollar, Singapore dollar, Kenyan dollar, Swiss franc, and Brazilian real. FTX doesn't charge deposit or withdrawal fees for most crypto assets. All Bitcoin withdrawals greater than 0.0 Bitcoin are free. Withdrawals of less than 0.01 Bitcoin per day are charged a fee of 0.1% after the first one, which is free. Fiat currency withdrawals valued at more than 5,000 USD are free, as is one withdrawal per week below that amount. FTX US trading fees for market traders range from 0.05% to 0.4% as of January 2022. Non-fungible token fees are $1 to list an NFT using its self-service tool and 2% charge to the seller from each sale or trade. Wire transfer fees are 1% of US dollar deposit and withdrawals with minimum $5 and a maximum of $35. There are no deposit fees of blockchain transfer. FTX US pays the withdrawal blockchain fees for all tokens except ERC20 and ETH and Omni. FTX US customers must verify their identified to qualify for full access under Key Your Customer rules. KYC Tier R1 customers are limited to single deposit $2,099 daily deposit of $10,000 and ACH deposit of $500 for any rolling 10-day period. Key products. Here is FTX key products include future, leverage tokens, options, move, and spot market. Traders can take both long and short bets on leading cryptocurrencies using over 100 quarterly and perpetual future pairs with a margin of up to 101x. Stablecoins such as the USD and Tether USDT are used as a collateral to open and maintain deposits. Leverage token. FTX offer ERC20 based tokens that provide traders up to 3x leverage exposure against the underlying trader pair. Traders can speculate or future price direction and higher against their open position with range of call and put options that give the holder and right of but the obligation to buy or sell at future strike price. These contractors allow traders to bet how far the price of cryptocurrencies will move over a time period in irrespective of direction, essentially making them a play of volatility as long as the price of the underlying cryptocurrency moves are a specific dollar amount. So here is the all management, capital structure, celebrity affiliates, compete risk free with the virtual cash, all the information here with the FTX exchange.